Auto good fam, this one feels less like a car reveal and more like a sci-fi movie landing in the real world. This is the Geely Galaxy Starship Concept, a rolling luxury space capsule designed to show where Geely believes the future of intelligent electric mobility is headed. And no, this isn't just wild design for show. This is a statement of intent. From the outside, the Galaxy Starship looks like it escaped Earth's atmosphere. The body is smooth, aerodynamic, and futuristic, with a seamless silhouette that blends SUV proportions with spaceship-inspired surfacing. The lighting is fully digital, wrapping around the front and rear like a glowing energy field, while cameras replace traditional mirrors for maximum efficiency. Flush door handles, sculpted wheel arches, and massive aero wheels all reinforce the idea that this vehicle was designed in a wind tunnel, not a sketchbook. Step inside and the space capsule theme becomes reality. The interior abandons traditional dashboards entirely, replacing them with a panoramic digital cockpit that wraps around the cabin. A massive curved display spans the width of the car, merging instrument data, navigation, and entertainment into one fluid interface. The seats are lounge-style, designed for comfort rather than driving aggression, with premium sustainable materials, ambient lighting that adapts to driving modes, and a flat floor that creates an open, floating feel. This cabin isn't built around the driver, it's built around the experience. Technology is where the Galaxy Starship truly flexes. It's built on Geely's next-generation intelligent electric platform, supporting advanced autonomous driving, AI-powered voice interaction, and continuous over-the-air upgrades. The system learns driver habits, adjusts climate and seating automatically, and integrates seamlessly with smart homes and personal devices. Multiple sensors, LiDAR systems, and cameras work together to deliver high-level assisted driving, positioning this concept as a preview of Geely's autonomous ambitions. Underneath the futuristic shell, the Starship concept is expected to use a high-performance, electric drivetrain with long-range battery architecture, fast charging capability, and intelligent energy management. While Geely hasn't locked in final specs, the focus is clear: smooth, silent acceleration, extended range, and a ride quality tuned for serenity rather than speed. This isn't about lap times, it's about effortless movement. Auto good fam, the Geely Galaxy Starship concept isn't trying to compete with today's luxury EVs. It's trying to redefine what luxury means in the electric age. Less mechanical, more emotional. Less cockpit, more capsule. And if even half of this concept makes it into production, the future of premium electric vehicles just got a whole lot more interesting.